Republic Day with cheer. Our Constitution started this year. It teaches us to live right and fair, with love, justice, and care to share. Republic Day, January 26, hooray! We stand proud, we smile and say, I love my India. Republic Day, badge brave. We celebrate it once each year. On January 26, loud and clear, we hoist the flag and stand with pride. India strong, side by side.